Question 3. A pencil costs X pence and a ruler costs 30 pence. The cost of 5 pencils and a ruler is equal to the cost of 2 pencils and 2 rulers. Form an equation in X and solve to find X. There's a lot going on there, so we'll try and break it down. A pencil costs X pence and a ruler costs 30 pence. Okay, let's break that down. Pencil, X, ruler, 30 pence. The cost of 5 pencils, so that would be 5x, and a ruler, and is plus the ruler, which is 30, is equals the cost of 2 pencils, that would be 2x, and 2 rulers, that would be 2 30p's, which is 60p. So that's the equation formed. Now to solve it, we would take 2x from both sides to get 3x plus 30 equals 60. We then take 30 from both sides to get 3x equals 30 and divide both sides by 3 to get x equals 10. So x is 10 means the cost of a pencil is 10p.